Natural cough and cold syrup recipe. But before we continue, if you are new in this group, follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the link below. Natural cough and cold syrup recipe. This quick and easy smoothie contains pineapple, lemon, ginger, turmeric and cayenne pepper. All have medicinal benefits and can help soothe a sore throat and reduce mucus. The tasty smoothie coats the throat to soothe and has anti-inflammatory properties. Pineapple has been shown to break down mucus with its enzyme bromine and fight bacteria. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin that acts as a pain relief, and ginger that is good for anti-nausea. These are just a few of the many proven health benefits of the ingredients. The recommended dose is half a cup 3 times a day, but as it's just fruit and spices, you can have as much as you need, within limits of normal smoothies, without any side effects. If you are not drinking all of this immediately, I recommend to pulse blend and leave a bit chunky, as it will oxidize slower and retain more vitamins. Always store in an airtight container in the fridge and consume within 24 hours. To aid digestion and absorption, you should chew this smoothie rather than just swallowing. The exact amount to chew varies by experts, but many suggest to chew 8 or so times until it warms to body temperature. If you are very unwell with a cold or flu and can't face chewing, then just swallow normally. I peel the lemon for this to retain the pith that is full of goodness. However, lemon seeds are perfectly safe to eat and have some health benefits. They contain a small amount of salicylic acid, the main ingredient in aspirin. So if anything, will give some relief from aches and pains. The peeling of the ginger is optional. Raw pineapple juice is superior nutritionally to the pasteurized and concentrated juice that shops sell. Natural cough syrup recipe. This quick and easy smoothie contains pineapple, lemon, ginger, turmeric and cayenne pepper. All have medicinal benefits and can help soothe a sore throat and reduce mucus. Prep time 5 minutes, total time 5 minutes. Ingredients: 1 medium pineapple, 1 lemon, 2 inches ginger, half a teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper, pinch of salt. Instructions: peel the pineapple and lemon. Place all in a blender and blend until desired consistency is reached. Enjoy straight away and store any remaining in the fridge. Nutrition information: yield 3, serving size 1. Amount per serving: calories 40, total fat 0 grams, saturated fat 0 grams, trans fat 0 grams, unsaturated fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 46 milligrams, carbohydrates 11 grams, net carbohydrates 0 grams, fiber 2 grams, sugar 6 grams, sugar alcohols 0 grams, protein 1.